This week in my mini happy planner, I'm going to use the, I think it's Cozy Chic kit by 3 Tiny Bows. And here is the kit. It is one of her new ones that came out. I like it. She is participating in a sale at the end of the month. I will have more information on that later. I'm also using stickers from the Polka Dot Planner. I used her YouTube and her little Instagram. And then I have the plan and the coffee. I have the happy quotes. And I've got the planner girl and the planners. I thought they went well with this kit. And she is participating in a sale at the end of the month too. But if you can't wait till the end of the month, my code for the Polka Dot Planner is Vanessa20 to save 20%. And my code for 3 Tiny Bows is TTBVANNESSA to save 20%. And I will have more information on my Instagram later about the sale codes. I'm also using this pink coffee cup because it matched the pink in the kit, and this is from Threadhead Designs. And I am using the blue coffee cup, which is from the Glitter and Glam Squad. So we'll go ahead and get started. I have already made my little tracker. I put it on the other side this time. And I will write my dates in real quick. Alright, and we will go ahead and get started. I do have like the mini monthly meetup tomorrow. It was snowing here, so I haven't decided yet if I'm going to go. I enjoy it and I have a good time. It's just I get home so late and I'm old. I gotta get up for work early. So we'll see how it goes. Basically, I'll probably take my stuff with me. We'll see how I feel when I get off work. I've got several meetups coming up. I've got one the 17th of this month in Northwest Ohio. I've got one March 10th, the COPA meetup. And then I have the Cleveland, June 2nd. I've got my tickets for all those. So I like to buy my tickets well in advance and have everything ready. And I'm going to put that down there. I really enjoy going to meetups. I try to go to one if I can get tickets at least once a month. I like to go out and meet people, and which is surprising for me because I didn't used to be that way. I'm one of those people that actually spends a lot of time kind of by myself. But, you know, I think I finally figured out somewhere along the way that I'm not going to meet people sitting around by myself all the time. I'm going to keep this layout fairly simple this week. And like, I need a little more room in this one to write. If you get on my Instagram right now, Righteous Zombie Plans, there's a loop giveaway going on. So be sure to check that out. The weekend. And put my little check boxes. Get the edges all pulled up here. Makes it a little bit faster. So I found another paint set I want. And I probably have something similar. So I'm trying to decide if I really need it. But there is a difference between need and want. And I kind of like, I guess, to definitely have a variety of paint sets. And this one's like metallic accents. So I might just have to get it. We'll see. I've got it saved in my cart. We'll see if it's still there on payday. Alrighty, so there's all my check boxes. I like the crystals on that planner. Very pretty. Alright, I think that's it from here. And then Sunday's the day I do all my planning. So I'll put the planner girl there. And a planner and a paper clip. One of these lovely coffee cups. And then coffee for Monday. It's always my #1 thing to do. And I like this saying. It says, "There's nothing more beautiful than kindness." And stay beautiful. And we'll put one little blue heart right there. And I think that will be my social media layout for this week. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.